Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, last class we have finished our chapter 8, that is our festivals. Let us discuss book exercise today. All of you open page number 52 and take one pencil also. We will discuss and write book exercise. Before writing book exercise, let us have a quick recap what we have studied in this chapter. Yes, there are three kinds of celebrations and festivals in India: national days, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. So, what are the three kinds of festivals which we celebrate? National days, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. We have studied in details about all those things previously. The national days are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The national days are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Some religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Eid, Guru Purab, and Christmas. Religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Eid, Guru Purab, and Christmas. And some harvest festivals are Bihu, Pongal, Onam, and Vaisakhi. We celebrate the birthdays of some great people too, like Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate the birthdays of such great peoples. Then we have studied some new concepts. So, words to remember. Festival. What is a festival? A day or period of religious or other celebration. We are celebrating some religious or other kind of festivals. Next, independence. The word came from independence. So, what is independence? Being free, not being controlled by other people. As we know before, in India, British people were ruling and we are not independent, right? Then in 15th August 1947, we got our independence. So, independence, it is being free, not being controlled by other people. Next, Samadhi. What is Samadhi? A monument to the memory of a dead person erected over their ashes. That is called Samadhi. Diya. A small oil lamp is called Diya. Next, Langar. Common kitchen in Gurudwara where food is served to all the visitors for free. That is called Langar. Next, Kolam. A traditional decorative pattern made on the floor using rice powder, or we use rangoli powders to make column. Let us write the book exercise now. With whose birthday do you associate the following? Christmas. First one is Christmas. Jesus Christ. Just write it down, children. Christmas, Jesus Christ. Next, Children's Day. Children's Day, Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday as Children's Day because he was very fond of children, he loved children. So write down, children, Jawaharlal Nehru. Second one, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next is Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is birthday of Gautam Buddha. So write down, children, Buddha Purnima, Gautam Buddha. Next, fourth one, Mahavir Jayanti, Mahavir. Mahavir Jayanti, Mahavir. Next, fifth one, Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation. Write down, Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, sixth one, Teachers Day, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Teachers Day, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Have you finished, children? Christmas, Jesus Christ. Children's Day, Jawaharlal Nehru. Buddha Purnima, Gautam Buddha. Mahavir Jayanti, Mahavir. Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi. Teachers Day, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is known as Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Next, second one, B. On which date do we celebrate the following? On which date do we celebrate the following? First one is Independence Day. Children, when we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. So write 15 August. Independence Day, 15 August. Next, Republic Day. Second one, Republic Day. When we celebrate Republic Day, children? On 26th January. So write down 26th January. Finished, children? Next, Teachers Day. When we celebrate Teachers Day? 5th September. Write down, children. 5th September, Teachers Day. Next, Children's Day, 14th November. Children's Day, 14th November. Next, fifth one, Navroz. Navroz is celebrated on 21st March. It is celebrated by Parsi community. Okay, it is celebrated by Parsi community. Navroz, 21st March. Next, Christmas, 25th December. So write down 25 December, Christmas. Finished, children? Independence Day, 15th August. Republic Day, 26th January. Teachers Day, 5th September. Children's Day, 14th November. Navroz, 21st March. And Christmas, 25th December. Next, write T for true and F for false sentences. Okay, some sentences are there. Write T for true and F for false. Navroz is celebrated by the Parsi community. It is true. Just now I told you. So it is true. Write down, children. T. Next, Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Yes, it is also true. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Next, we got our independence from British rule in 1957. No, it is false. We got our independence from British rule in 1957. Mark it false. Next, in Andhra Pradesh, the harvest festival is called Pongal. It is also false. Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh, the harvest festival is called Pongal. False. Fifth one, the golden temple is at Ambala. It is also false. Where is the golden temple, children? Golden temple is at Amritsar, not in Ambala. Okay, so it is also false. Finished, children? Navroz is celebrated by Parsi community. It is true. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. True. We got our independence from British rule in 1957. It is false. In Andhra Pradesh, the harvest festival is called Pongal. It is false. The golden temple is at Ambala. False. Children, next go to multiple choice questions. Dash is prepared on Eid. Shrikhand, Kheer, Savai. So what is prepared on Eid? Savai. Put a tick on option C and write down here also the same option Savai you have to write down here. Okay. Next, Dash is called the festival of colors. Holi, Diwali, Bihu. Which is the festival of colors, children? Holi, Diwali, Bihu. It's Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. And as I told, you have to write like this. Okay, all the answers you have to write on the dash. Okay, children. Mahatma Gandhi is called the dash of the nation. Son, father, brother. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. So put a tick on the option B and write it down. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. Fourth one. During dash, people draw columns to decorate their houses. Pongal, Holi, Bihu. During Pongal, we draw columns, right? Next, Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Radhakrishnan. So put tick on option C. Clear, children? Dr. Radhakrishnan. We celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. So put a tick on option C and write it down here. Finished, children? Next, answer the following questions. So these are the questions from your book, but no need to write the answers. Just listen and remember. From this, some of the question answers we will write in our classwork. So no need to write, children. Just listen. Why do we call India a land of festivals? So the first question is, why do we call India a land of festivals? The answer is, India is a land of festival because people of different religions live here. So people of different religions have different kind of festivals. So there are a lot of festivals. Also, people of each state have certain festivals that are special to that particular state. Also, people of each state have certain festivals that are special to that particular state. A lot of festivals we celebrated in India. That is the reason India is called a land of festivals. Second question. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? The answer is, Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August because on this day we own our freedom from the British. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August because on this day we own our freedom from the British. Next, how do we celebrate Republic Day? The answer is, on Republic Day there is a grand parade held at Rajpath. Where is Rajpath, children? In New Delhi. The armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children are some of those who take part in this parade. Children who win awards for bravery are part of the parade. Tableaux from different states make the parade lively. And parades take place in state capitals too. So this is the way we celebrate Republic Day. Fourth question. What were the teachings of Gandhiji? Gandhiji taught us to be truthful and non-violent at all times. What were the teachings of Gandhiji? Gandhiji taught us to be truthful and non-violent at all times. So Gandhiji taught us to be truthful, always to tell truth, okay, and non-violent. Name the main festivals of your state. Some of the main festivals of our state, Tamil Nadu, are Pongal, Tamil New Year, Kartigai Deepam, and so many. Okay. So some of the main festivals of Tamil Nadu are Pongal, Tamil New Year, Kartigai Deepam. This is one activity for you children. You just list down what are the festivals you are celebrating in your state. Okay. So I have written some of the festivals. So as an activity, you just write down the festivals of Tamil Nadu. Okay, list out all the festivals of Tamil Nadu and write it down. Okay, today many children do not burst crackers on Diwali. Do you know why? Today many children do not burst crackers on Diwali. Why children? Today many children do not burst crackers on Diwali because most of the crackers are manufactured by children in factories. Do you know this? Most of the crackers are manufactured by children in factories. So many children have been burned and lost their limbs in accidents in the firecracker factories. So this is the reason many of the children are not bursting crackers in Diwali. Instead of going to school, those children are employed to make fireworks. Also, bursting of crackers produces air and noise pollution. And this is one of the reason bursting the crackers produces air and noise pollution. So for this reason, children do not burst crackers on Diwali. So thank you children. Whatever the question answers and book back exercise we have discussed, just go through that. Okay. And next class we'll write the classwork. Thank you children.